If you're a parent, you may be familiar with this situation. You hear a crash in the other room, you run to see what happened, and you find something broken. And when you ask what happened, all of your kids respond, "Not me." This is what happened with a client recently where we had 3 different insurance companies who all responded, "Not me." Here's what happened in that case. Our client's independent contractor was hired to work on a case with one of our client's most important customers. The contractor concocted a fraudulent scheme to steal money, services, and property from the customer. The customer lost a lot of money, and the customer then made a claim against our client, holding it responsible for the fraud of the independent contractor. The client came to us asking how could it get insurance recovery for this fraud loss. It turned out the client had 3 different insurance policies from 3 different companies. It had a general liability policy, a professional liability policy, and it also had a crime insurance policy. We gave notice under all 3 policies and demanded full coverage. We also supplied a lot of information that they asked for during the claims process. Finally, we got a response from the insurance companies. 2 of them denied coverage outright. 1 of them accepted coverage in part, but not for the entire claim. We weren't satisfied with these responses, so we wrote to the insurance companies and explained why each of them should pay the full amount. After significant negotiations, each of the insurance companies admitted, or at least hinted, that they might be responsible for part of the claim. But each of them insisted that the other 2 insurance companies were more responsible. In essence, each of them were telling our client, "Not me." Our client was understandably very frustrated. They were upset because essentially they were being penalized for having too much insurance. We weren't that surprised because unfortunately we see these kinds of things from insurance companies all the time. But this story has a happy ending. After further negotiations, including a mediation, we eventually reached a resolution where all 3 insurance companies contributed toward a settlement, and the total amount of the payments paid for almost the entire loss to our client.